How to make fan-made anime step by step. Most people get this wrong, but creating fan-made anime doesn't require a studio or massive budget. You won't believe how far you can go with planning, software, and creativity. Start with a concept. Decide on your story, characters, and world setting. Even short fan animations benefit from a clear script and storyboard. Sketch keyframes and plan scenes to visualize the flow. Next, design characters and backgrounds. Use digital tools like Clip Studio Paint, Krita, or Adobe Animate. Keep your designs consistent, noting color schemes, clothing, and proportions. Animation comes next. Software like OpenToonz or Blender allows frame-by-frame animation or tweening. Focus on key poses first, then fill in transitional frames. Sync movements with dialogue or music for a smooth result. Voice acting and sound effects elevate the animation. Record voices or use free resources online. Add background music and effects to match the scene's mood. Finally, edit and export your project. Combine scenes, adjust timing, and render in a suitable resolution. Share on platforms like YouTube or social media, giving credit to the original series. In conclusion, making fan-made anime involves planning your story, designing characters, animating, adding sound, and editing for final output. With patience and creativity, you can bring your fan project to life.